How to add people to your team in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a team member in Figma so you can collaborate in real time. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one where you want to add another team member. Now go to this home section of the Figma app. Then click on team or project where you want to add member to. Now click the share button which is on the top right corner. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. You can choose their permission level like can view, can edit or admin. Once you are ready, click invite or send invite and they'll get an email to join your team or project. You can also turn on link sharing to allow anyone with the link to view or edit the file. Great for quick feedback. And that's it. This is how you add member in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.